Ready to drop into the Battle Royale arena without downloading a thing? First, let's clarify you can't play the full, official pub directly inside Chrome, but don't worry, there are a few alternatives to get your chicken dinner fix through your browser. Your best bet is cloud gaming services like GeForce Now or similar. Allow you to stream games you already own on platforms like Steam directly to your Chrome browser. Type Cloud Gaming Pub into Google to find a service available in your region. Once you have an account with a cloud gaming platform of your choice, link your existing Steam or other game library account where you own Pub if prompted to then search for Pub within the service's game library. If it's supported, you should see a play button. Now be aware there are several unofficial browser-based games that mimic Pub. Search for browser PUBG or online battle royale games. These might offer a similar experience, but are usually much simpler and may not provide the full original PUBG experience. Keep in mind, cloud gaming requires a strong, stable internet connection. The unofficial browser games will vary widely in quality and gameplay experience, so be prepared with some patience. Choose the one that has the best reviews before you start playing. And there you have it, a couple of ways to potentially get your pub action going inside your Chrome browser. Hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks.